Hi, welcome to this mini coaching video for the exercise I See You. So this is for if you have a relationship in your life which is struggling a bit or needs a bit of healing. Try this exercise to help you diffuse the big negative feelings that might be knocking between you and make space for some healthier, more compassionate, more real communication. So here's what we do. You imagine that the person is sitting with you, sitting opposite you or sitting next to you, and you're going to say some words to them, then they will say them back to you, and then with your hand on your own heart you say those words to yourself as well. Because often when we find that we're clashing with someone else in our lives, really the kindness and the compassion needs to start with us first. We need to be kinder to ourselves before we can then feed a kinder communication out to others. So here's the words, the script that we follow. You're imagining the person is with you and you say these words to them. I see you. I hear you. You matter. I'm here. And then you will switch roles and they will say those words in return back to you. You can just imagine that they're saying these words to you. I see you. I hear you. You matter. I'm here. And then with your hand on your heart, you say to yourself, I see you. I hear you. You matter. I'm here. So notice that there is no story or context at all with this exercise. You're not getting into the blame game or getting into who said what about what and what happened and the stories. All of that will take you and spin you off into a much more stressful place. Just stay really focused on the script. It's very neutral and it's very leveling. It kind of gets rid of the need to talk about the specifics of what happened. And it just leaves you with a very real person-to-person communication, letting them know that they are important to you and that what they've got to say matters and that your communication between each other matters as well. So those are the 3 steps. You say the words to them, they say the words back to you, you say the words to yourself with a very kind and forgiving heart. And then when you've done those 3 rounds, take a nice deep breath in, breathe it out, and give yourself some credit for wanting to make things a little bit better. Let me know how you get on and just give me a shout with any questions.